Hello, welcome. Episode 5 of the series on compound interest, and the percentage is 2. Here we are going to use one of the methods we discussed in the first 3 episodes, which is the formula method. We have to find the compound interest on 800 Ghana cedis for 2 years at the rate of 3.5% per annum, PA per annum. So I'll go straight forward with the second method, where we need to bring the data out as principal. The money we are starting all this calculation with is 800 cedis, and the rate at which the calculation is done is what? 3.5%. Remember, 3.5% is 3.5 over 100. So in decimal, you still have 0.035. Then what again? The time is in 2 years. Then the interest we are looking for is yet to be calculated. So what do? We substitute in the formula amount equals to principal multiplying 1 plus rate, all to the power what? T, which is the time. So your amount will be nothing but 800 times 1 plus, let me say 3.5 on 100, all to the power T, which is 2. Fast forward, remember the 800 will maintain 1 plus. This is, the point is traveling 1, 2. So 0.035 all to the power 2. Remember 2 stands for the time. So let's still simplify further. 1 plus 0.035 will be 1.035 raised to the power 2. You can decide to find the decimal of this, multiply by this, or I just put it in the formula, the whole thing in the calculator to have the final answer in terms of amount. And if we do so, 800, okay, so that will give us 856.98. This is the total amount accrues at the end of the 2 years. So what do? We are looking for the compound interest. Okay, let me just say interest equals to the amount minus what? Principal. And the amount is 856.98 minus the principal we began with was 800 Ghana cedis. So when you perform that subtraction, you still have 56.98 Ghana cedis. It means the interest that is earned on this will be 56.98. Remember, the rate of interest is very small, 3.5. So you should not expect any big amount at the end of what? The 2 years. I guess you can also try the step-by-step approach and share your findings in the comment section as we keep learning together. Like the video, share, and subscribe.